Okay, so I installed my second rebuilt motor from United HVAC Motors, and it just died on the 7th, probably about 7 o'clock at night. It's 8:10 right now, Wednesday night. So my United HVAC motor, the second one they sent me, the first one died after 3 hours. This is my original motor in here. I just happened to have it in one of their boxes. I'm going to take this out for like the 5th time and reinstall it, because although it makes noise, it works. This is the United HVAC motor number 2, and once again it died. Gave me Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It lasted, let's say, almost 3 days, and it doesn't work anymore for whatever reason. So I'm not going to videotape this whole thing, but I had the closet all, this closet was all filled back up again, all nice and neat, and now I just took it all apart again to get into my air conditioner. And this is, I've been doing this several times now, trying to save some money, because Lennox and the air conditioning industry will not sell new parts like a new motor with the ECM for this unit. Lennox will not sell that to a homeowner. And to go through a repair service like Rinaldi of Orlando, $1,500. A rebuilt motor, $300. It's a no-brainer, really, except for one thing. This company sucks. I can honestly say that now. Plus, I tried to get a hold of them again to tell them that I put the new motor in. I got no return call, no correspondence whatsoever. United HVAC Motors, forget about it. They suck. And I've given them ample time. And they lie, they don't call back. They sent me 2 bad motors. And I had to put a stop on my MasterCard. And now I know for sure that this is a bogus company. So that's it. I'm going to sign out here. I'm going to put this original motor back in. This is a factory motor made by Gentech, 3.0 ECM, and apparently the bearings are going or something. It's noisy, but it works. And I will have to now hire a company to do this and put the responsibility in their hands, because I just can't do it again. I've got to get back to work here in my workshop. This is all the stuff I took out of the closet, not to mention all of this stuff as well. So shame on you, United HVAC. Really, you guys just don't have your shit together. Signing out, Bob Desmond.